Welcome to the 2019 First Global Challenge. This short video will help you to become part of an online community we have created for you to share your views, news, and experiences with your co-participants from across the globe. So you've just received an email invite to join the First Global Challenge 2019 community. Let's follow the link within this email to the 3D Experience platform. This is where you will create the 3D Experience ID, which you will use to access the First Global Challenge 2019 community. Note that you will only have to go through this step one time. Depending on your browser settings, you may receive an error message upon registration. However, refreshing the web page and using your newly created login credentials should allow you to access the platform. Using the Find Community features on the left side of your screen, search for the keyword FIRST. The first result should be the First Global Challenge 2019 community. The First Global community is a private community, and therefore you will have to request access to become an author in this community. Once your request has been accepted, you will receive a notification within the 3D Experience webpage. You can view your notifications by clicking on the bell icon in the top right corner of the webpage. Now that you've been accepted to the First Global Challenge community, you can add that community to your favorite communities tab simply by dragging it into the section. This is an important step as it will make finding the community a much simpler process the next time you log in. Okay, now you have made an account on the 3D Experience platform. You've been added to the First Global Challenge 2019 community, and you've added the community to your favorite communities tab. At this point, I would recommend bookmarking the 3D Experience webpage on your web browser in order to achieve easy access when you wish to log in the future. The only remaining step now is to start posting to the community. The community is for you to ask questions as well as post your team's progress in a community of your peers. Anything related to the 2019 First Global Challenge belongs in the community, and we encourage you to share as much as possible. Your post to the community should always follow a simple formatting guideline. In the title of the post, you should introduce yourself with your team name and then explain the purpose of your post. Within the body of your post, you should go into further detail explaining your post or question. Clicking the attachment icon allows you to add any relevant media to your post. Now that you know how to use the community, go and write a post. Upload a picture of you and your team having fun while making your robot, ask a question, or just browse the community for what it has to offer. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the First Global 2019 community.